Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1987 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Very clean pickup truck here at Skyway Classics. Of course, you know 87 was the last year for the box body style, but going into the one we have here featuring a black exterior, having the Riddler torque style thrust wheels on it. Short bed as you can see, and they have the appropriate bed cover over it so you don't have to worry about water, rust, or anything building up in it. Also, you may notice they have tint on the windows so your drivers next to you can actually mind their own business and not try to stare in what you're doing. Going into the interior now, you got the tilt column automatic. You can see that they have changed the cluster to a more digital, more accurate style. You still have the old-fashioned 2-knob radio. You do have AC, which I want to go under the hood now, featuring a LS swapped engine. As you can see though, when you look in the pictures, they did redo the pulley system, so I do believe you have a fresh new compressor out there, which will actually blow colder air. Other than that, she's very fun to drive. In fact, now that there's nobody around, we can open it up a little bit. That's one thing you gotta love about an LS motor. Very reliable, definitely more reliable than a carbureted engine or any old style motor. But as for now, we're just gonna get it turned around and up on the lift safely, so please stay tuned to take a look at the underneath.